Today our discussion topic is polynomials. I think you have previously in my classes you have seen what is polynomials is, though, so there is no need to discuss about what is polynomials is. To remember this and to just discuss about degree of polynomial. I think, do you remember degree of polynomial? You can see, suppose I have told a polynomial x to the 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x plus 10. What is the degree of polynomial of this given polynomial? Here, highest power of the variable is 5, so its degree of polynomial is 5. That means degree of polynomial you can measure by highest power given in the polynomial. So similarly, suppose x to the power 50 plus 10. It is also a polynomial and its highest power is 50. So its degree is 50. And suppose if we consider xy plus yz plus zx, so what is the degree of this polynomial? X have 1 and y have also 1 power, so 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, so it has a degree of polynomial of 2. So I think you have understand what is degree of polynomial. Now we will discuss about linear polynomial. What which polynomials are called linear polynomials? To easily understand, just remember whose the polynomial with degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. So here you can say x plus 4. Here degree of polynomial is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Similarly, x plus y, here x and y both have polynomial power 1, so they are also linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. What do you mean by quadratic polynomials? Then remember, a polynomial with degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. So you can say x square plus 2x plus 6, it is a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, x square plus 10, it is also a quadratic polynomial. X square minus 29, it is also a quadratic polynomial because both have degree 2. Next, we remember cubic polynomial. Yeah, remember cubic polynomial are of degree 3. So x cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. It has degree 3, highest power 3, so it is cubic polynomial. X cube plus 1000, it is also a cubic polynomial because its highest power is 3. Next, biquadratic polynomial. Just forget about it, there is no need in this chapter. Next, zeros of polynomial or zero of a polynomial. What do you mean by zero of a polynomial? Suppose a real number k is said to be a zero of polynomial if of suppose zero polynomial of px if pk equal to 0. That means suppose I have considered a polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. Now suppose if instead of k I have considered suppose 3, k equal to 3 here, so by putting 3 p3, now check it, we will get 0 or not. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, that means 3 square 9 minus 3 5 is 15 plus 6, that means 9 plus 6 15 minus 15, that is 0. We have got 0 after by putting this value 3 instead of x. So here 3 is our zero of polynomial, so you can understand how to find out the zeros of polynomial. Okay. Now we will go to exercise 2.1 directly. The exercise is too much easy. You have to find, they have given some figure, and by seeing figure you have to tell them that how many zeros of polynomials have they. So the first figure is given like this. Let's check the figure which I am drawing. X dash y dash, and it is over the intersected Do you remember you can find out zeros of polynomial by draw from the figure. If the figure cut the how many times the figure cut itself on x-axis. Here you can see that the figure isn't cut itself on the x-axis, so it has no zeros of polynomial. You can understand. So to better understand, next we will do another question, question number 3. So let's do it. Another figure they have given to us like before, x dash and y dash, and it is like that. Here you can see that 1 point, 2 point, and 3 points. It has cut the x-axis on 3 points, so it has total 3 zeros of polynomial. Next, to better understand, we will do another question. Question number 5. Given figure is like this: x dash and y dash, and they have intersected O, and the given figure is like that. Now you can see that here it has touched the x-axis at this point, this point, this point, this point. So it has intersected the x-axis at total 4 points. So it has total 4 zeros of polynomial. 4 zeros. So generally, do you remember that zeros of polynomials are nothing but the roots of the polynomial. Roots of the polynomials and zeros of polynomials are same. So that's all. If you have any query about it, then you can ask me.